Click on your favorite browser and then search for WebLearn Gh. Click on join now to open the registration page. On the registration page, select your account type. For now, we are going to use the admin account type. Select your institution and then enter your username and password that you want to use for the account creation. You also have to provide your email account. So I'm going to use testadmin@gmail.com and I'll provide my contacts and any password. Click on register to create your account. After successful registration, you receive an SMS with your registration details. Your account will be inactive if it's an admin account at the initial state. If you try to log in right after the account creation, you receive a notification that says that your account is pending activation. So you should contact your system admin. Your system admin will be able to activate your account after verifying your details. If you're a system administrator, you have to go to the institutions column, go to the users tab, and then click on admin. You will see all the new admin pending for activation. You can now click on any of them and then set the roles and click save to update the account. When your account is activated, you also receive an SMS informing you that your account has been activated by your system administrator. So after that, you can now go ahead and log in with your username and password to access WebLearn. So I'm just typing my password. And I'll click on login to log me in. So when I log in as an admin, I can see from the top page, right after the avatar and the username, that I am an administrator and I'm in the account. You can also create a tutor account, which is similar to the admin. But to create a student account, you have to select the account type as student, select your class, and then select your institution as well. You have to provide your username and then email and password just as the normal registration procedure. The only thing different here is that you have to make sure that you select a class from the institution that you select. And then you click on register after typing your password to create the account. As a student, you receive an SMS that shows that your account has been created. But as a student, your account will not be pending for activation. Your account will be ready for use, so you can quickly log in. But when you log in as a student, the first thing that you do is that you have to complete your profile. So I'm going to log in right now, select my institution, which was a test academy, and then enter my username and password to log in. And the difference is that a student's account, as I said earlier, doesn't need to be activated first before they can log in. So I can log in and then it will require that I fill in my profile before I'll be able to continue to do any other thing. At this same point, this information is required to confirm my student account into the class, even though I can access the platform, but then I'll not be given access to any of the course materials because the class that I subscribe to or registered to have not been confirmed. So filling the profile allows the system administrator or the tutor to be able to cross-check and know fully who you are and then accept your details or your account to be part of the institution or the class. So as part of the profile, you have to also provide your contact. The previous contact will be there. You can append more contacts or remove or edit any other contact information that you have. And then you have to also provide your qualification, your previous qualification, and then you click on save to save your details. So after updating your profile details, you receive a confirmation message that it has been updated successfully. Now you only have to wait for your subscription to the class to be confirmed by the administrator. Yeah, so you can also look at your subscriptions and then you see your active subscription, or go to the learning channel to see other places that you can subscribe to and then learn from. But you will not be able to access anything as the classroom and the quizzes and those things will not be accessible until your subscription is confirmed.